Hi there folks, I'm John with Sunco, and I'm a former contractor with a passion for lighting solutions. Today I'm here to walk you through installing one of the most versatile lighting options available, T8 tubes. Let's get started. So with me today I've got the single 4-foot T8 fixture. It's the kind you've seen all over the place. They'll go in workshops, warehouses, and whatnot. Behind me I've got a demonstration set up so you can see how we install it. As always, before you start touching these wires, make sure your power is off. So because this is a single-ended fixture, all the power is coming from the left side. Now we'll wire them up. So I always like to start with the ground. I like to twist the wire nuts until the wires themselves twist. Next is neutral, and then live is last. So now we'll just fold the wires back up and replace the cover. Okay, now it's time to install the tube. Remember, on a single-sided fixture, you have to put the writing on the tube on that single side. That's where the power comes from. So I'll install the right side first, push it straight up in, and then the left side, turn it 90 degrees. Okay, let's power up the fixture. Look at that, another Sunco work of art. And that's it. Your T8 tubes are installed and ready to shine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more lighting tips and tricks from Sunco. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.